Got a Honda 500 Foreman engine 2012 model. I pulled the engine because it has a problem with the transmission. I think there's a broken tooth or teeth off of first gear, but before I take it apart, I wanted to clean the engine up. And as you can see, it's got that corrosion where people run their four-wheelers through the mud but never really clean it up very good, or they leave it outside and it just gets corroded from the humidity and the mud. But as you can see over here, I've started to clean the engine. So in the past, I've always used like a 3M pad or Scotch-Brite pad, but I found a new method that saves a lot of time and does a better job. But just wanted to demonstrate. Here's some engine cleaner. You can take a Scotch-Brite pad and hand scrub it. It'll get it clean enough if you want to separate the engine, split the cases. It'll keep dirt from getting in there, but it doesn't really shine it up, or you got to scrub a very long time to make it look good. As you can see, it cleaned it up a little bit, but now I picked up this wire wheel. It's like a brass in color. Picked it up at Lowe's a while back. It was only on sale for like $1. But I put it on the drill on high speed, and let's just see what it does here. Now I'm going over the spot where I use the 3M pad. See how nicely that cleaned it up. I can go over it again to get it a little bit better. You can see how much shinier it is there. Just a little hard to get in the nooks and crannies. Might have to hit that up by hand, but just that's one way to really, if you want to restore an engine and make it look real nice and shiny, get one of those brass wire wheels, put it on a drill, and just don't grind too much. You don't want to take too much metal away, but just to lightly go over it works pretty good. I'm going to be making more videos, show you how to remove it from the frame. That was a little bit tricky, and also how to split the cases, and so we can find out what it's got a noise, and first gear actually don't work. But when you're in neutral or other gears, you can hear something inside clanking. You can see how dirty it is, and then how much cleaner it is over here, especially on top of the head.